Accessories. Please check the equipment and the accessories carefully after receiving the package. The accessories include air compressor, power supply, pulse tube, pressure tube, infusion tube, three-way connector, quick connector, pressure regulating valve, and a sac. Equipment operation process. Wrap the Teflon tape around the 2 points external teeth, pressure gauge, and quick connector. Assemble DN15 connector, quick connector, and pressure gauge into the pressure regulating valve. Assemble the pressure regulating valve, then put it into the air outlet of the air compressor. Putting the silencer into the air compressor. Connect the three-way connector to the quadrant hoses. Then connect the other end of the quadrant hose to the hot and cold angle valve. Put the one end of the transparent infusion tube in the infusion inlet of the equipment. Connect air compressor and the equipment with the blue air pressure tube. Connect the three-way valve and the equipment with the red pulse tube. Plug in the equipment. Turn off the main water valve first. Turn on the lowest tap. Drain away the remaining water in the pipeline. Start the air compressor for inflating. After the air compressor finishes inflating, take out the remote control from the storage box on the back side of the equipment. Start the equipment. Turn on the output valve of the air compressor. Adjust the input pressure to around 5 bars through the air compressor regulating valve. Make sure all the taps and water devices are turned off. Use the leak detection key to detect if there is any leak in the pipeline. Wait around 5 minutes. Proceed according to what the operation panel shows. If the leak detection succeeds, it means there is no water leakage in the pipeline. Then move on to the next step. If the leak detection fails, the pipelines needs to be checked one by one and leak detection needs to be done again. Turn on the farthest tap to release the pressure. Turn on the main water valve, allowing the water to enter into the pipeline. Turn on the tap, then start pulse cleaning by pressing the pulse key. When the sewage from the tap turns into clean water, press the pulse key and turn off the tap. Repeat this step on each tap in the house. Attention! If the water pressure is too high, pulse cleaning will have no effect. You need to turn down the water through the main water valve to lower down the pressure. Change the concept of water usage for millions of families, restoring the healthy way of using water. Water Manager, manage clean water.